Are you a Spectrum Mobile user struggling with RCS not supported or features not working in Google Messages? RCS, or Rich Communication Services, is the modern upgrade to SMS, bringing features like read receipts, high-quality media sharing, and group chats over data. Since Spectrum Mobile relies on Verizon's network, RCS compatibility can be inconsistent. As of September 2025, only 70 to 80% of Spectrum Mobile users have full access to RCS. Common culprits include outdated app versions, incorrect settings, and carrier-side problems. Remember to ensure you meet the requirements for RCS, like having Android 5.0 and up, an active data connection, and a supported carrier. We'll show you how to identify if the problem lies with your device, the Google Messages app, or Spectrum Verizon's network. First, ensure your Google Messages app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. Next, open Google Messages, go to Settings, RCS Chats, and toggle Turn on RCS Chats. If prompted, select Use RCS. Now restart your device. After restarting, check for carrier settings updates by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Carrier Settings. If problems persist, consider contacting Spectrum support. They may suggest a SIM swap or network reset to ensure proper APN configuration. Clear the cache and data in the app settings for the Google Messages app. Also, attempt to re-register your phone number with RCS in the Google Messages settings if there is an option. According to user reports, these steps resolve RCS issues for many Spectrum Mobile users, with a success rate of 60 to 70% after applying these updates. Keep in mind that iPhone users may face limitations without a dedicated RCS app due to Verizon's cross-platform RCS implementation.